plucking the frontal, it still doesn't look bad to me. Like, as you can see, it still looks pretty good. I feel so 2000s with this hair, like, for real. But yeah, like, the frontal still looks pretty nice even without me plucking. So I know that if I were to go back behind it, it would look like it was growing out of my scalp. You feel me? That is all for today's video. That is how I do my shebangs. Super quick and super simple. Of course, shout out to MyChicWigs for sending over this hair. I don't know if I've actually like said it out loud, but I love this wig. Like, love this wig. First of all, it's super soft. Like, I just been running my hands through it since I got it. And second, I feel like it looks like it can maybe quite possibly kinda be my hair, you know? Like, I like wigs that make people think twice, like, is that your hair or not, you know? So shout out to them because this wig is that girl, okay? Of course, as always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to go ahead and leave your girl a like and a comment, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!